There's a pair of Beats Studio Buds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these to a Nintendo Switch OLED. It'll work for the previous models as well, of course via Bluetooth. So the first thing is we want to go to System Settings. So click on the Home button, and then you want to go to System Settings right there. You can navigate there as well. System Settings right there. Select it, letter A. Then we're going to go down to Bluetooth Audio right there. And then we're going to select the letter A, and it says Pair Device here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and select A. Now it's in pairing mode. It's looking for devices in pairing mode. So let's quickly put these into pairing mode. Let's open these up. You got a button right there. Let's press and hold that button until we get a white blinking light indicating that it's in pairing mode. Okay, that looks like it's in pairing mode. And let's see. Oops, I clicked on a button here. Let me go back to pair device. Still in pairing mode. And let's see if I find it. If you guys have issues connecting or pairing, you can always reset these as well. Look in the link below. I'll show you how to reset these. Let's give it a moment here. I got a red solid light right there. Oh, it just changed back to pairing mode, but I do see it right here. Beats Studio Buds. I'm going to go ahead and select on the letter A right there. And you get a little message right there. Click on OK. You can see that check mark right there. So these should be, audio should be coming out of these now. And there you go. I'm wearing the buds right now. I can hear all the audio coming through. So there you go. Any questions or issues, just comment below.